everyone. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I wanted to create a quick video showing how awesome our HoneyPots are. We've spent so much time planning and designing every aspect of these warmers that I really don't think any other warmer on the market can really compare to the HoneyPot. If you've followed us from the beginning, you've probably seen the evolution of these warmers, but a few of the things that we have changed is the design on the front of the warmer with these beautiful flowers and the little bees. Definitely think that's very aesthetic and very pretty for anyone to have in their studios. We've also upgraded all of the components inside the warmers 3 times in the last 3 years. We're always looking for higher quality components so we can make sure that we have a warmer that lasts a lifetime, and it's not you have it for a year, the warranty expired, and you're done. We have also upgraded the lids to a rose gold finish, and we've upgraded the turn knobs. The old ones used to be plastic with an aluminum insert. These are completely all metal. So they are durable. If you accidentally hit it, it's not going to scratch. If you chuck it at someone, it's definitely going to hurt, so we don't advise that, but they are extremely durable. There are a few things that I wanted to point out that are kind of significant differences from the HoneyPot that you'll see on the market with other warmers, is that our heating element wraps all the way around the basin. And with doing it that way, it allows your wax to heat quicker and more evenly. You're never going to have burnt wax at the bottom of your warmer because the heat is from the sides and not the bottom of the pot. A second thing that I believe is kind of innovative for the industry is that it regulates the temperature differently. The warmer is never on all the time. You may hear like a click, or you'll see the light turn on and off. That's to show you that the warmer is regulating that temperature, that it's reached temperature, it doesn't need to heat anymore. And then it'll turn back on, say you open your lid or you give it a stir, the air from your treatment room kind of cools the top of the warmer, and it tells itself, oh, I need to turn back on, and it tells you by turning the light back on. We really pride ourselves in being a community-based company. We don't ever want to be one of those companies that's just out there for a money grab. We truly care about the products that we sell. We care about the customers that we sell to. And we really want to only offer you the best, which is why we've innovated the HoneyPot as much as we have over the years, because we're always on the search for better products, higher quality components to make those products for you. So that is our HoneyPot in kind of a little nutshell. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. If you enjoyed the video or it was educational in any sort of way for you, please subscribe to our channel and kind of give us a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.